Alright guys, hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today, we're in San Jose, and it's busy. It's busy. I'm starting the video over here because it's nice and quiet. So we're here in December, it's mid-December 2022. I'm seeing things that I'm not used to seeing in Costa Rica. People wearing sweaters here. It's kind of chilly here in San Jose. So right now we're down here in downtown. I'm gonna be doing a video walking around. This is my first time over here, but I just walked it pretty extensively. There's a lot going on. If this is your first time joining us, be sure to like, follow, subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you get notified when we make new videos here in Costa Rica. Leave me a comment with any requests or any insights you have for the videos. So where are we standing right now? So this road right here is called Calle 5, Street 5. It's Calle Cinco, you'll see it on the map. And the road where you see cars driving right there is Avenue 2. So that's the corner we're at. And we're actually right here, this big building here, I do believe is the National Assembly. So that's like the legislature for Costa Rica federally, that building. And there's a big park right here. There's an EDM concert going on right now. And I'm pretty sure this building right behind us here is a national museum. So we're gonna go walk down this road, and it's crazy, guys, how many people are out here in downtown San Jose today. You're gonna see a lot. We're gonna go for a walk. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And again, leave me some comments if you guys see something during the course of this video that you have insights about, and feel free to discuss it in the comments below. So this EDM concert, you're gonna see tons of cops here and tons of young people walking around. I didn't know this was going on today, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool to see that they shut down this whole park to pull off this big concert. And I'll try to walk by so we can see how many. Now it's pretty loud, of course. It's an EDM concert. Let's go have a peek, see what we can see. So there's your EDM concert. So you can see Tico's here. They like their concerts. There's often concerts here in San Jose. I'll see come up. If you're feeling to check it out, then check it out, right? Now, something about coming downtown here is parking is limited. So I'm here in high season. If you come down here and you find an underground parking lot, you're probably going to pay 1,000 cologne per hour. That's about $1.50 an hour, which is respectable for any downtown area. But there's not much street parking. And I'm here during the high season. Of course, this EDM concert's going on. So you can expect to search for parking or just catch a bus or walk. I mean, if you go right outside the downtown area, you can easily find parking and walk down here. Now, don't know if this video at the time that we're here is going to give you a measured perception of what it's like down here. There's a lot of young people down here drinking out in the streets, having fun, of course, but as we go up further, you're going to see there's a lot of families walking around. The area becomes a bit nicer. There's more people out. I don't know if on that street there's normally young people hanging around. If you have safety concerns, probably at night, much later at night. It's only about 6 p.m. right now as we're walking around here. So although it's a little dark, it's not too late, but I'm sure as it starts getting later and people get a little bit more intoxicated. So this is where I parked here. There's an underground parking lot right there. You know, it's in the structure, and there's a lot of places like that around. You just gotta keep an eye out. So now we're heading up towards kind of a shopping area. Walk through here. There's a couple hotels up here. Lots of shopping, and tons of people. It's crazy busy up this street. So check this out. So you can see there's kids. There's kids here, lots of people waiting for the buses. And there's generally less people up here drinking on the street. So if you're coming down here, you know, probably this is going to be your destination if you're coming with the family. So you can see this is calle 9, 9. And Avenida, what is that? 0. Avenida 0. So this is Avenida 0 and Calle 3, where you can park down this street that is pedestrian only. And I've seen a lot of police officers walking around here, so you can generally feel a bit safer. There's a cool little indoor shopping center, I guess. Oh, cool. Socks, shirts, all novelty stuff. It's okay. No, gracias. No, gracias. So guys, when you're walking around these places, this is everywhere in the world. It's not just here in San Jose, of course. People are going to try to pull you in, right? They're going to try to pull you in, and they're going to sell you something. My strategy is never to turn my shoulders to them, politely decline their offer, but the second you turn towards them, they own you. And you're going to feel really bad about breaking contact after that point. So that's why I don't stop moving. I just say, no thanks. And I keep it rolling. Rolling. And that strategy has not failed me since. My wife, though, she gets captured. She gets captured a lot. I tell her, though, don't turn your shoulders. Anyways, lots of cool stores down here. And it's crazy busy here. It's Saturday night. Of course it's going to be busier. It's the middle of December. It's the high season for tourism. But nonetheless, it's super busy. And there's actually tons of shops. Like, it's surprising how deep these shops can go. You know, you look at it from the outside and it just looks like a little storefront, but then you go inside and it's a massive hardware store or general store. So you're going to see a lot of these electronic stores here in Costa Rica as well. They generally have a lot of the same stuff. But then you'll see cool, like, one-off stores. I've never seen this store before, a PLX skateboard store. out on the coastal cities, you know, you'd see more surf stores and stuff like that. There's a little thing with all those things that kids love, those pop, I don't know, I'm too old to know what those are. Who cares? Oh, cool, a shoe store. Clothing stores. Excellent. Guys, it's wild down here. Super fun. So this is kind of like a little central area where a lot of people are sitting, chilling, hanging out. This is a hotel right here, I think. This is the Hilton, I believe. No, that's the Hilton. This is the National Theater right here. This building right here is the National Theater. This is a Hilton hotel. This building right in front of us that we're walking towards. You can see the kind of mezzanine on the top. Perhaps that's a restaurant. I don't know. But look at this. This is cool. All these kids running around. Little ones having fun, having a good time. There's an Econo. So when we did our Liberia shopping video, we talked about Econo. We walked through an Econo. You can expect to see the same things in this Econo. And there's a Smart Fit. A gym perhaps. It looks like there is a gym up there. So there's a gym here. And here's the entrance right here, so that's cool. I've seen this Smart Fit around. I think it's a chain of gyms here in San Jose. Cool, so here's a little light show. Water light show. Oh, this is cool. Kids are digging it. Wow, that's really cool. They did a cool job with the LEDs that are going off. Is it gonna go off? I don't know. The anticipation is killing me. I can't take it any longer. Cool. Bring your kids here. I'm sure it'll be fun. Where should we go next? Let's go over here. Why not? So I'm gonna pinpoint where we started from, but you'll be able to get a sense of where you're coming if you're planning on staying in any of these hotels or anything like that. Maybe we'll walk down this street over towards Chinatown. So look at this really cool courtyard here. And this is the entrance for the Grand Hotel Costa Rica, which I believe is a Hilton hotel. So look at that. That's a really cool looking, nice building. Very historical. I'm not gonna walk on the grass. Don't you worry. So here's the National Theater. I don't know what's going on. The doors are open today. It's really cool. All right, let's check out this cool statue. Juan Mora Fernandez. Wow. Premier Jefe del Estado de Costa Rica. First boss. I don't know, I guess Jefe means president. Premier maybe? Jefe is the boss. Is the boss. That's a cool statue. Excellent. Very nice, and they've done a great job here. Look at how well maintained it is. That's really cool. Good job keeping this monument intact. Awesome work. Nice little footpath. Let's walk down here. Wow, it's busy. Every which way is busy. So most of the places that I've been walking around are pretty uncontrolled. Like cross the street when you can. There's a controlled cross here, so I don't know how the police approach that. Of course, it's safer to cross when it's meant to be crossed. But generally people are driving nice and slow down here anyways. They're a little bit jilted from, I'm sure, sitting in traffic so long on the highway. But nice nonetheless. So this is a really nice restaurant, and each time I've walked by this one, it's been very busy. Tenedor Argentino, the Argentinian fork. Check that one out while you're here. And look at this. I mean, I don't know if it shows up very well in the nighttime, but there's construction going on down here. Costa Rica has tons of development going on. Tons of opportunities in real estate down here, I think. I guess we'll just follow the herd. Do what everybody else is doing. Actually, we'll go down that way too. I want to check out that place. Look at this one. It's a big shoe store. That's cool. And actually, you'll see all these Christmas decorations. They still do Christmas here in Costa Rica. It's pretty cool. Navidad, you'll hear it all over the radio. They do their decorations. I probably shouldn't be walking here, but I'm committed. I'm in danger. So there's restaurants all along here. Actually, okay, cool. So we can see the EDM concert back up this road. So I'm pretty sure this is Avenida Dos, was it? We're just heading back towards where we kind of started. We did a big circle. Awesome. Oh, there's a liquor store there. Actually, it looks like a corner store with lots of liquor. All right, all right. Oh, wow, TV. Love TV. So that goes right back up to that road where we just walked down. This road right here. So you can see here's more public parking, right? Down this way, there's Chinatown. We'll do a different video on Chinatown. Lots of cool stuff in Chinatown there. So here's a store with Ropa. Ropa is clothes. So there's a clothing store there. Awesome. Cool, cool. Okay guys, so we'll end the video here, walking around downtown Costa Rica, December 2022. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe once again. Leave a comment. If anything you saw in this video that stood out, give me your feedback. Love hearing the feedback from these videos. Or make a request for somewhere you want us to visit, and we'll try to make it happen. So once again, thanks for watching. Bye now.